more than 14 hours battery. If you look at this, but tayo na dinamo, kay mahal din siya. Pwede din siya kawaton, hindi pwede. So this is 14 hours, 7 to 7, 14 or 5 to 7, 14 hours. So ayaw ka kung mag-brown out because during the opening of the pulse, diretso na ang ECO ng battery. Automatic na siya, connected. Auto align, this one. Faster scanning speed. Automatic receipt cutting na ayaw pundanganan po dire. Built-in receipt compartment and accessibility features. You can touch the screen and review your ballot. Kanin siya are the peripherals. The smart cards and EV roll pins, muna siya ang mag-abre sa machine. This is our key to the machine. Thermal paper, makita sa likod. That USB main and USB backup. The USB na tuwa sa taas is atong transmission media gamiton later on. Yung connect na ta for the transmission of the result. And the adapter. So those are the peripherals. Gamay na ang peripherals karon. Dako na kay tanaw ng machine because of this big ballot box. Na masulod ko, I'll be inside, i-cover ko ninyo kung sulod ko sa kata. So these are the peripherals. By the way, we have a headset attached to the machine. Kung saan man siya, ma'am? Saan yung headset? What's the use of this headset? During my demonstration, I will ask for whose privilege the headset is. And the unanimous answer is for the deaf. Sa buhol. Ha? Ha? Please lang. Headset na gani for the deaf na noon. The headset will be used for those who cannot see their ballot, those who cannot read what's on their ballot, the assistant voter. For them to be assured that the ones whose name shaded were really the person that they wanted to be shaded. So they may request the EV, please, I wanted to hear kung siya gi-shaded. So the purpose nila sa bungol. Ang imog lang para sa dutsa. Kung sa dili makabasa. Those who cannot see and those who cannot read. Diba? The differently able individual. So that's our hard case. Sundanan. Kasi nakakita na Daniel naman siya doon sa panahon sa ginto.
Yes, color red.
Black lang siya. Sorry na, black lang. So kaya na siya sundanan sa machine. What makes this one bulky is the ballot box. Ano? But this is one very handy. And then the transmission device. The transmission device like that, the Starlink. Starlink ang gamitan for the barangays or areas where the accessibility of the telcos is not available, such as Globe Smart or so Starlink, social na ni Starlink ang gamit. Okay. Next. Iulit na po na sa kumalaki. So ballot. The ballot has two faces. The front and the back. But don't worry, when you enter your ballot into the machine, there is no specific orientation. The only limitation is you cannot go in sideways. Yan na good ko. So don't worry, ma'am, sampot, tiil, whatever, basahon siya in whatever orientation. Importante lang, do not mangle with this QR codes, these timing marks and security features. Because if you happen to write anything on it, smudge, tear, or wet it, the machine can no longer recognize because these are the eyes of the machine. Do not put anything on it or write anything on it making identification because that's already a marked ballot. Do not write anything. Make your ballot as is, where is, except the shaded names or party. So two modes of voting. Wala pa ito dyan na sa level na highly technical na pagkabotan because we're still shading our ballot. Manual lang pa shade, but all its activity after you have feed your ballot into the machine is by electronic na transaction. From voters receipt printing, vote preview, results generation, and digital and result transmission. So wala na itong gone are the days nga kahon. Manual na itong election. Sa gamay ng munisipyo by 12 midnight, where the transmission has been successful, we already knew who the winner is based on the last election. Pinakasayo, by 4 o'clock, some of the municipalities with lower number of registered voters already proclaimed the winner because they are automated already. We can report the reports printing, BVFAT audit review, election returns, ballot review after closing and final backup. So, hindi siya ang activity sa election to be administered by all the members of the electoral board in the precinct. All this happened in the precinct. Vote review. This has not been given to us. We have no privilege with this activity for the previous elections. But for this election, because the screen is touch screen, we have our review scans. We can scan our ballot as is that we have shaded it. Transmission. If you happen to be following the social media and the news, there is this attorney special who really insists that the machine is hackable. We all know any electronic gadget can be hacked. But the problem is, when is our machine on the net? After the printing of the first 9 ballots, our EB will transmit the result to this CBOC, Central Server, Citizen Trump 1 and 2, dominant minority, media server. When we say we transmit using the telco signal or through that Starlink, imagine you have a group chat. Kanina naka-group chat na sila. When we send a message, just like your group chat, all of them, that transmission media, that server will receive exactly the same result. So, dili apply sa unang central server, national server, o katong sa term, tulo ka server lang sa last elections. Karon we have 7 servers who will be receiving directly from the polling precinct of the same result to each other. So if the precinct will say, I love you, hindi na pwede mahimo sa isa, I hate you. The same I love you, ragi na siya. So diba, so the basic understanding is when man siya ma-under sa net. Just like your ordinary phone, when you say you will be sending money, Gcash, or you're sending message to this group chat, it won't even take you a minute to send that. Pagka-failure ka, i-resend. But it will never take you an hour or 30 minutes to send. So where is the window for hacking? That's how we rebut attorney special. We are not online during voting time. Not even immediately after the closing of the polls. We are only online when we transmit the result to the servers. After we have transmitted the result, the medium that we use to transmit will be removed from the machine for it to proceed. It is mandated you will remove that because we will resume to print another 21 copies of the election return. So that's how the transparency of the proceedings be done. We print 9 copies, printed copies, hard copies of exactly the same ERs. We transmit the same result from that printed ER, and after transmission, print again 21 copies to compare and contrast. So that's the only thing that the machine will be online. It won't even take 2 minutes. So how can you hack something that's not on the air? Barely 2 minutes on air. So that's how we answer attorney special's allegations. Just like other previous elections, we have the same procedure. What changes, there are 7 servers, and the previous election, hindi siya simultaneous usahay. So balik ka send, karon simultaneous gid siya. Before simultaneous siya, pero na ay laging more natin alila. So karon, see to it that the 7 servers, 3 before, himong 7. So kung saan pa na ito change sa program para mag-coincide ng 7. So there must be, imagine, the NAPFREL and the PPCRV are receiving result directly from that receipt, aside from the printed copy of the result. I hope I have clarified that issue to you. So, I think that's the only thing important. Unless you have questions, and if not, you will reserve your questions. We'll go. I will be asking at least 5 to vote. To try voting, experience its scanning, the scanner, and the result of vote review. Please.
So guys, nag-practice voting ni para matest na mo ang voting machine with Sir Danny. So dari na to matest no, kaya amo man ni siyang nayuban niya among gilapas-lapas og votar. Pareha ni among gilapas-lapas. Dari na to makita kung mo-react ba ang machine, di ba siya basahon no. And then bawal man daw ni siya sulatan kani nga mga part. So na ako gibaglit-baglitan na isa, tanaw na to og basahon pa bagyapon. Let's go. More siya color pen. For the 2025 midterm election. Let's go for this. I'm done voting.
So this is the only thing na does his portion follow the instruction of the person who is assisting. Yeah, the machine will. For the position of the senator, protect your ballot from being read by others. And you can. Okay.
Ako dito mag-video karon kaya ako rin ang sample.
Wala ba fake mo yung
Receipt.
receipt?
Okay. So no one should be bringing with them anything, the ballot, the pen, the folder, or the receipt. It should be
Okay.
left inside the receipt.
Sige, sige.
Okay.
Guys, ako yung next.
everyone. Good morning.
Or any identification.
Oh, one of the ano na to siya.
Nahiwi siya, oh. Papers jam.
Okay,
See,
okay.
balik niya.
Sige, balik.
So, be careful pag na mo nga nasunod mo siya sa iyang auto-alignment.
So, na mag-assist, ma'am. If ever.
Na.
Oh, na mag-assist. But they cannot see the result.
Doon si mo, that's why put ni mo imong kuhan. Jam na put ka.
Wala di na siya basahon, kining jam na siya. So, dili do siya guys. Bawal siya kung mo-jam. Hello? Ma'am, kung ina naman, mo-back up na dahil na mga kuhan.
Maback up na, ma'am. Pili siya. Kung ano manggod ka ba? Nakame. Isa siya pwede nga lain na ito ibutang, kasi siya may nagbutang.
Oh, taragod.
So marami to siya ka nang mag-cash deposit mo, nga dili niya kanoon, kaya na siya mga hiwi-hiwi. Over siya ka-uwi. So that means be careful of your ballot. Nga dili siya ma-fold, dili siya maunsa.
Ma'am, gisulatan na ba na ako tong QR code?
Wait, tanahanap. But, very good. Gibasanan ka. Unsa nga QR code yung magibutang?
Katong QR code, ang gibutangan sa akong pangalan. Kanina niyo, butangan ako. Pero wala, kaya na ako siya gikuan.
Asa siya nagsulat mo?
Ako, anong balot?
Ay, hindi guys, hindi mo ba? Sorry, inside the DI. So, by the way, pag inani pang screen, ayaw paghawa ha?
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Kaya ang musunod nga mag-vote, mabasa niya kasi mo kay Shada.
Okay.
Excuse me po, if kani, dili ko siya delikado na dadadala.
Dili mo siya pwede dalawang
man,
ka.
sulod.
Sulod ka niya mo siya dali. Karoon lang namin nag-ianak kung nag-BH mo.
First vote man, first
Okay. So, dapat before mo muhawa, kani ang inyong makitaan sa screen, please insert the ballot para wala yung makita nga imong gibotaran. Okay, next.
So, for the meantime, makuha na ni siya. Remembrance. Gibasa gyapon siya, sir. Nagisulatan ako. Pero at least, makaingon ta nga mabasag siya, bisan pag mabagdisan siya gamay. Oh, na ako ko. Jungkook, mo gini siya, ma'am. Jungkook. Pero gibasa siya. Ako siya gibaglitan ng QR code mismo.
Intended for signature.
Dahulat ko nga nanay mo kuhan.